Are you ready to elevate your outdoor adventures? What if there were gadgets that could enhance your experience, making it safer, more enjoyable, and even more connected? From hiking and camping to tailgating and backyard barbecues, the right tools can make all the difference. Curious about what innovative gear is out there? So in this video, we will discuss 10 outdoor gadgets that are truly next level, designed to revolutionize how you enjoy the great outdoors. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Pure Titanium Multi-Utensil. This is an essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast seeking versatility and durability. Weighing only a few ounces, it combines a fork, spoon, and knife into one sleek design, making it perfect for camping or backpacking. Crafted from lightweight, corrosion-resistant titanium, it stands up to the rigors of outdoor use without compromising on strength. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip even during extended use. Its compact size makes it easy to pack, fitting seamlessly into any camping gear. The utensil is also easy to clean, often dishwasher safe, simplifying post-meal cleanup. Ideal for both cooking and dining, it enhances your outdoor culinary experience. With its stylish design and practicality, the Pure Titanium Multi-Utensil is a must-have for any adventurer. Enjoy meals in the wild with this reliable and functional tool. Number 9. SUV Camping Window Tint. It enhances your outdoor experience by providing privacy and UV protection. It helps keep the interior cool, reducing glare from the sun, which is essential during hot summer trips. The tint can also protect your belongings from prying eyes, making it safer to leave gear in the vehicle. Additionally, it minimizes fading of upholstery and equipment caused by sunlight exposure. Many tints are easy to apply and come in various shades to suit your style. Some options even offer added security by making windows harder to break. This upgrade not only improves comfort but also boosts the overall aesthetic of your SUV. Choosing high-quality film ensures durability and long-lasting performance. With SUV Camping Window Tint, you can enjoy your adventures in style and comfort. Number 8. Solo Stove Mesa Tabletop Fire Pit. It is a stylish and compact solution for enjoying fire anywhere. Designed for outdoor use, it provides a cozy ambience for gatherings on patios, decks, or during camping trips. The innovative double-wall construction maximizes airflow, resulting in efficient and clean burning with minimal smoke. Made for durable stainless steel, it's built to withstand the elements while maintaining a sleek look. The Mesa features a heat-resistant finish, ensuring it remains safe to touch even when in use. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport, perfect for spontaneous gatherings. Setting it up is a breeze, allowing you to focus on enjoying the moment. With a built-in ash pan, cleanup is simple and hassle-free. Gather around the warm glow of the Mesa for memorable evenings with friends and family. Number 7. Barebones Edison Mini Lantern. It is a charming, compact lighting solution perfect for outdoor adventures. Inspired by vintage designs, it features a warm, inviting glow that enhances any campsite or backyard setting. With a durable metal construction, this lantern is built to withstand the elements while remaining lightweight for easy transport. The adjustable brightness allows you to set the mood, whether for a cozy dinner or bright enough for tasks. Powered by rechargeable batteries, it offers convenience without the hassle of fuel. Its hanging handle provides versatile placement options, making it ideal for tents, picnic tables, or patios. The lantern's timeless design adds a touch of style to your outdoor gear. Illuminate your adventures with the Edison Mini Lantern, combining functionality and aesthetics. Number 6. Stanley Adventure Big Grip Beer Stain. This is a rugged and stylish companion for outdoor enthusiasts. With a generous capacity, it holds up to 24 ounces of your favorite beverages, making it perfect for camping or backyard barbecues. The durable stainless steel construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use while resisting rust and corrosion. Its double-wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks cold for hours, ideal for warm days. The oversized handle provides a comfortable grip even when filled to the brim. A wide mouth makes it easy to fill, pour, and clean. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for effortless maintenance. Elevate your outdoor drinking experience with this functional and sturdy beer stain. Number 5. Solar Fire Starter. This fire starter is an innovative tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts who appreciate sustainable gear. Utilizing the sun's energy, it features a solar lens that concentrates sunlight to ignite kindling quickly and efficiently. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to pack for camping, hiking, or survival kits. This eco-friendly fire starter eliminates the need for matches or lighter fluid, making it a great choice for environmentally conscious adventurers. The adjustable lens allows for precise targeting, ensuring reliable performance in various conditions. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Perfect for starting campfires, stoves, or emergency situations, it's a must-have for any outdoor toolkit. Embrace the power of the sun and enjoy hassle-free fire starting with this clever gadget. Number 4. Camping Logbook. This logbook is an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts, allowing you to document your adventures in nature. It provides space to record details such as dates, locations, weather conditions, and campsite experiences. This helps you remember favorite spots and plan future trips more effectively. The logbook often includes prompts for noting wildlife sightings, meals cooked, and memorable moments, enriching your outdoor experience. Durable and weather-resistant, it's designed to withstand the elements, making it perfect for rugged conditions. Whether you're a solo camper or part of a group, it fosters a deeper connection to your travels. Reflecting on past trips can inspire new adventures and improve your camping skills. Capture the spirit of your journeys and create lasting memories with a camping logbook. Number 3. EDC Waterproof Peanut Lighter. This waterproof peanut lighter is an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday carry fans alike. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits in pockets or attaches to keychains for convenience. Its durable aluminum construction is both waterproof and corrosion-resistant, ensuring reliability in all weather conditions. The screw-top design keeps the lighter securely sealed, preventing fuel leakage and moisture intrusion. This refillable lighter is eco-friendly, eliminating the need for disposable alternatives. With a built-in keychain loop, it's easy to carry and access when needed. The simple yet effective design makes it user-friendly, providing quick ignition in emergencies. Perfect for camping, hiking, or everyday use, this lighter combines functionality with style. Whether starting a campfire or lighting a candle, the peanut lighter is a dependable companion for all your fire-starting needs. Embrace the outdoors with confidence, knowing you have a reliable fire source at your fingertips. Number 2. Royon Aurora A8 Flashlight. This flashlight is a compact, high-performance lighting tool perfect for everyday carry. It features a powerful LED that delivers impressive brightness, with multiple brightness settings to suit various needs. The lightweight aluminum construction ensures durability while remaining easy to carry. With a built-in rechargeable battery, you can enjoy convenience without the hassle of replacing batteries. The flashlight also boasts a side switch for easy one-handed operation, making it user-friendly in any situation. Its IPX67 waterproof rating allows for reliable use in wet conditions. Compact yet powerful, the Aurora A8 is an excellent companion for outdoor adventures or everyday tasks. Number 1. Campfire Popcorn Cooker. This cooker is a fun and unique way to enjoy freshly popped popcorn while camping or around the backyard fire. Designed with a long handle, it keeps your hands safely away from the heat while cooking. The lightweight, durable material ensures even heat distribution for perfectly popped kernels. Simply add popcorn and oil to the stainless steel chamber, secure the lid, and hold it over the flames. Its compact design makes it easy to pack and carry on outdoor adventures. The transparent lid allows you to watch the popcorn pop, adding to the excitement. Perfect for family gatherings or campfire nights, this cooker brings a nostalgic touch to your outdoor experience. Enjoy delicious, freshly popped popcorn in the great outdoors with this handy gadget. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.